Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2019 Nissan Altima 2.5S, and customer has an ABS light on. He had it diagnosed, or say he had it diagnosed and came to find out bad ABS sensor. He showed me a picture and it had a little cut on the wire. Right here, so that definitely can be a cause. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, this is the indication right here. Warning, malfunction. You got a traction light on. ABS. Alright, we got a 10mm. Pulling that in. Slide that right out. Get that from there. Here. Here. And we gotta pull this back. Take these tabs out. That's that clip there. Pull up on that tab there and that'll release it. Alright, and that's what I used. Pull back, and there's the connector. Gotta pop that out of its place. You can use that as well. Get that loose. And now we can pull this on out. Alright, this is the part. You got it from Coulter Parts Center, wherever that is. I want to show you the invoice with the information on it, but there we go. It's the NISSAN. Okay, so that's the part number. Make sure it's matching up. 2 prongs. All right, looks the same. All right, reinstall. Alright, so we're done here. We're gonna go ahead and reset the light. Make sure it doesn't come back on. Alright, looked like we didn't need to reset the light at all. It detected that the sensor was good. So that's gonna be it, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King. you want a bolt that's big enough to go over the stud for installation. You want to use an impact gun too. That'll be a lot easier.